Ground control to Major Tom. Hey there, Plastiques. Welcome to yet another video. It's your guy Joe here, and I'm here with my Ziggy Stardust inspired makeup. Can you guys guess which doll we're opening today? Yes, it's another LOL OMG, the new Dance 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 series, Major Lady, right here to open with you guys. So, of course, I had to get decked out in my Ziggy Stardust inspired look. David Bowie, may he rest in peace. When I saw this doll, I immediately thought, okay, this is obviously a David Bowie inspired doll, and probably a little bit shade thrown to Mattel because, in case you didn't know, Mattel also did another 80s pop star inspired doll. Can you guess which one? It was Elton John, and if you look at the pictures, she did not turn out quite as good. I don't know, I'll put it up right here and you guys tell me what you think. I did not like it, and of course I did not get it, and I know there was a lot of drama surrounding it. There was a lot of people that didn't like it, but right here we have MGA's response. Major Lady. Let's open her up and see how many references of David Bowie we can get. So let's tear this open, this little TV screen open. If you guys saw my B-Girl review, you already know that I went through the packaging. I am absolutely in love with this new doll packaging. MGA has been killing it. They are doing an amazing job. Okay, that's a little bit stuck. I don't want to ruin her. Okay. Whew. Here she is, and we have her. God, what are these called? Someone leave a comment down below. What are these called? I forget what they're called, but you know, we used to have these in elementary school. I remember the cards that you would just go like this, but this one instead goes like this. And she opens her cape up, as you can see. It's very fast. I mean, it could be better, but you know, I still appreciate that they're doing this and they're being more inventive with their packaging. They gotta innovate. They've done this, you know, surprise element with the LOLs, and this is just upgrading it a bit more. Now, do we still wish we had a window so we know what kind of doll we were getting and we knew what kind of flaws it has before we opened it? Maybe yes, a little bit, but I still appreciate the innovation and, you know, the elevation of their packaging. So let's get her open. Here's the doll, and of course her 15 surprises, which, as we already know, they're not really 15 surprises. Let's get her out so we could see her little dance studio. Oh, do we match? I love this. This is very David Bowie inspired, very, you know, of the stage, being in a big theater, a big stadium. I love it. I love the lights. I love the disco balls all around, and of course the iconic Thunderbolt. They are really doing a great job with this design. Like, the design of these backgrounds alone are absolutely incredible. If I had more space, I would display the dolls in there. Let's get the doll out first. So you guys can see there is my B-Girl, and I cleared out some space so I can include these new OMGs. Okay, and here she is directly out of the box. Now I gotta say, I really love that the doll stands are colored to their theme. Like, I thought they all were gonna come with white like B-Girl did, but no, she actually has silver and it goes with her theme. She looks incredible out of the box. Of course, she has the iconic orange red hair that David Bowie, of course, sported up in a high ponytail. Oops. So it's up in a high ponytail, and then she has two long tendrils that are just ever so perfectly curled. There's no defects, which I appreciate. And she has glittery orange lipstick. And then she has the two different colored eyes, just like David Bowie, the high heterochromia. She's sporting this kind of revealing but very 70s jumpsuit. Very ABBA inspired, but of course David Bowie. But I love the blue blue metallic side and then the pinstripe side. She has a little opening right here in the front. She has like a very pale complexion, just like David Bowie. And I love the slits in the front, just to add like, you know, a little bit more va-va-voom. Because of the lower price point, they technically have less items of clothing. The regular LOL OMGs that are like a few dollars more, they come with underwear like tights or like a corset or a bra or something. Since these are actually at a lower price point, they don't come with that, which sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. I actually appreciate that it's cheaper, so therefore we don't need all that underwear. Sometimes it adds too much bulk, and that's definitely something I've learned like working in the industry that I work in now. Like I used to want to have everything be like just like humans, like have to wear a corset or they have to wear underwear. This scale, you actually don't really need it because it just adds a lot of bulk. It makes the proportions seem weird and the clothing seem too big, and it ruins the illusion. Since the price point is lower, it's not too bad, you know? And of course, she is sporting a orange manicure. She has these really groovy shoes. They are so 70s, very hippie, you know, like you just dropped acid and you're having hallucinations and having a trip. Like I love that. Very 70s, and I love the super chunky heel that they used to have. And then the colors, of course, are super 70s, yellow and pink and orange. I guess dare I say garish colors. Again, they're very psychedelic. Let's move on to the other surprises, shall we? We have her book first. Dance BB Dance, Fly BB Fly. I'm sure that's a reference to a song. I can't think right now, but it sounds very familiar. It does sound like a David Bowie song. We have dance steps or a dance guide. Now, I'm not gonna do that now, but if you guys can get this video or any of my other dance videos to 100 likes, I will do a video doing these dances. All right, and next we have her little hat box or accessory box in here. See? And again with the tissue, this time it's in yellow, black, and white. It's a lot of accessories. They all fell out, but there's the tissue. I love these tissues. She comes with the star sunglasses. Now, I think this is more like, isn't this more like Elton John? Elton John wore glasses like this. I don't know if trying to like go through my Rolodex of like David Bowie looks. I don't know if he's done a look with star sunglasses. So I'm wondering if this is maybe a little bit of shade to Barbie.
It's real sunny up here, but I do like a little bit of shade.
What do you guys think? Let me know. They do not want to stay on. Oh my gosh. Okay, do I got it? Yes. Okay, finally got it. And then she also has a very groovy belt that's silver with some blue stars. And it's made out of like a flexible vinyl. So let's put that on. There she is with the belt, and it just drapes over her hips just ever so. And then we have her earrings. And I love this because there's two different kinds of earrings. One is an outline of a lightning bolt, and the other is an outline of stars. Just dance. Put on your red shoes and dance with me. And then she has a little chunky bracelet. It's orange with a red glittery squiggly line. And then of course we have her Blacklight, which I will do later when I turn off the lights. Of course we have the most important accessory, a doll brush. Her hair is actually brushable for once. The LOLs always have such intricate hair that if you were to brush it out, you just ruin that hairstyle, which, you know, sometimes I really like the hairstyle. Probably have like the biggest collection in the world of doll brushes. And last but not least is her garment bag. This is continuing on with the swirls. So you got somewhat psychedelic swirls in different colors, but it looks slightly more modern. She has a turquoise blue hanger that's translucent. And what's inside? Ooh. All right. It's her cape.
No kicks.
Wow, this cape looks quite incredible. Look at that detail. An orange thunderbolt in the back with the silver trim and turquoise blue on the edge and pleated glittery fabric. Oh my god. Okay, here she is with her completed outfit. We match quite well, don't we? Here she is with the Blacklight. As you can see, she does have a thunderbolt on her pupil, but it's actually very hard to see, so I have to get it really close to the camera in order for you guys to see. But you can also see that her eyeshadow and eyebrows also glow this neon orange, and I'm really trying hard to get the thunderbolt to be shown on camera. You really can't even see it in person unless you're looking really, really hard. I'm trying really hard. And also her hair has like neon orange highlights that glow in the black light. So that looks really cool. And her bracelet also glows along with her shoes. The yellow glows a very light orange color. And here's the hair. I'm trying to get the hair to glow on camera, but it's very hard to see. It's better in person. I have to say overall, I really love this doll. There are just a few little things, like I wish the closure for the cape was either like a hook and loop or like a snap or something. You know, that's just like a small little gripe. Besides that, I really am loving this line so far. This is number 2. If you haven't watched my review of B-Girl, make sure to click the link on the end card. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell for all notifications so you know when I upload a new video. I will be starting a new series very soon where I open vintage thrift store finds. You know, stuff that I find in thrift stores that are still in box, like Barbies, Moxie Teens, or What's Her Face? I don't know. You'll have to wait and see what I find in these thrift stores. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. We're halfway there to 500 subscribers, so please subscribe, share, like, let your friends know about my channel. So, with that said, keep it plastic!